Ready? Oh my god, dude, this is so fun. So, this huge fat kid just showed up at my house.
Oh, hey.
I was working on the bike the whole day, and he's never actually seen this thing or ever ridden it.
I've never seen it.
Never seen it run.
You know, I've never seen it with the seat on it, to be honest. So
I remember that. You want to start it?
Yeah.
Do it.
I want to run it too.
Kick the gas on and give it a shot.
You got the zip tied on there.
Yeah, dog.
Nice, dude. Heck yeah, man.
It's sick, right?
Yeah. You have a rear brake, right?
Yeah, no front brake, but...
You rip?
Oh yeah, it scoots, man.
Ooh. I got nowhere to sit on this thing. Johnny Bravo, buddy. Oh, it doesn't want to go.
So I took a little bit different of an approach this time. Instead of applying all of the graphics before I put the plastics on the bike, I went ahead and put the plastics on the bike so then I can just install graphics on the plastics now that they're mounted to something. Theoretically, it should be a little bit easier. The bike looks dope. I wasn't totally certain about the white, but it actually came out kind of cool. Kind of digging it. But overall, looks pretty cool. Looks sweet. Still got to do the front, but anyways. Got it done. SSR70cc semi-automatic is complete. That thing has graphics, it has plastics, it even has our brand on it. The name of our channel, bro. Some lucky person is gonna have the very first Dude I'm Down bike on Facebook Marketplace. What a joke. Nah, it's cool, man. It turned out awesome. Way cooler than I thought it would.